fire up the tiki torch. I just got the tiki torch over there strapped. Get rid of the skaters. It's probably a 10 mil. Yeah, it's a 10 mil bolt. On each side of that, and a nut. So that's our shift. See it right there? So we'll just have to get, like, I can get this wrench on top, and then I use my socket down underneath. Oh, okay, so this is just our steering. Definitely got a leak. So, gotta figure out why it's leaking. And so I took off the linkage here, and this is, you know, our shift. And then over here is going to be our steering. It's like it's got a bearing problem or something. I think we can take off our bolts, and this will just slide off. I guess we'll find out. Whoa. I'm going to take the bottom two off first, I think. Bottom of this, I don't think you need to take it off. And also, yeah. Alright, so now this one, I might put a hand on this because I don't know what it's going to do. There it goes. Gasket or insert or anything. Alright, so there's that. So then, looking at this, looks like we got an Allen here, an Allen here, and an Allen here. There's a lot of like pebbles and stuff. So I think I might get the hose out before I take this off and just spray that down. And then we can look up in there. Looks like that's where we can see our impeller. It's behind this. So really, to change the oil in this, what I think I'll do is go ahead and break this and pull this off. And if we got to change out, you know, a gasket or any kind of, you know, O-rings or something, we can do that. Put this back on, fill it up with oil, because I'm pretty sure it's probably bad. So there's one on top. Boy, I have used the heck out of this little Warrior kit. But I mean, it's got all kinds of like hex and star bits. Some star bits up here. Hex, that's like an 8mm. I mean, you got your SAE, I guess. It's got a couple of these little connectors to go on the thing. So like this one I use a lot because it's 1/4 inch, and then it fits, you know, it fits a standard, you know, one of these. And then they also give you, like, you know, this if you want to convert like something back to a 1/4, like on an, it's really handy. Of course, I've never used this. I don't even know what this is for. That's some kind of tool. And I came with a couple of like these for your driver. And anyway, I used the heck out of this thing. You know, star bits, and then we got hex, and we got some of these other types of bits. Yeah, anyway, It's really served me well. Now this didn't come with it, and I had a couple extra things I just threw in here, but these, you know, at Harbor Freight as well. So this is a quarter, you know, and you can put it in reverse, and then I've got like a right angle. I got a couple of different ones of these. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. They're not always available or effective, you know. Yep. Oh boy, you're always pretty on, man. I know, it's kind of weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really weird.
Dang it.
Skeeter's eating you up?
No, I got this tiki torch over here burning.
Oh.
Just got it kind of, you know, on that patio over there. Patio. Huh. Carport. Of course, I could take all of this off, but I don't want to do that. Because I don't want to take off the impeller. I just want to take off this. I think this is where you change the oil. So, I don't know. We'll see. But there's two O-rings right here. So you need to replace those. And then the way I got this off is you take out the fill hole. And then I just took like my little punch deal and I stuck it in here. And then I just pulled on it. And then what I noticed is there is an O-ring right there. So this O-ring, I think, take it off, clean it up, just to see what it looks like. Because I mean, it looks pretty bad, to be honest with you. I'm gonna clean this all up. I'll tilt this up and see if I can't get whatever oil is in this back down to, I mean, because it's really, really black. Looks really, really bad, so anyway, we're going to do that. Stinks, too. Kind of push it in, get it somewhat, and then snug. Anyway, just go real light because, I mean, even though, I mean, it's plastic, it's like a fiber plastic, but anyway, you don't want to damage it. So now I just need to fill this thing up. Seems like they would have made this a little bit design better so that you could fill it either inside or out here by just taking off the screw and doing that. I don't know how much it takes. Probably not a lot. But we're going to fill it up till it's coming out again. I'm just going to do this.